Hi. In this video, we will answer some of the most commonly asked questions about the computer-based test. We will also teach you some keyboard shortcuts that are allowed in the IELTS. The screen is split and you can see the questions or passage on one side and input your answers on the other side. Just like on any other web page, you can select a portion of the text using the mouse and right-click to highlight the text or add a note. You can increase or decrease the font as per your convenience. You can select settings from the top right corner of the screen and select text size. And you can choose between standard, large, and extra large. You can change the color of your display as per your preference. Go to settings on the top right corner of the screen and make a selection. You can also change the screen resolution in the same way. You can move from one question to another within a section easily if you want to check your answers. All you need to do is select the question number. In some of the listening questions, you can drag the answer choices and drop it in the correct answer box. You can answer as you listen. You will not have any spelling indicator or word autocorrect as you type. There will not be any predictive text or dictionary either. In order to copy text from one place to another, you can use Ctrl+C. In order to paste the copied text, use Ctrl+V. You will have high-quality earphones connected straight to your computer for the listening test. The room will be quiet so that test takers are not disturbed.